Alright, today I have a toilet that I just used and the tank will not turn off. The toilet will not turn off. It just sounds like the tank is filling up and will not stop. There's a couple of ways that I can get this to stop, alright? One is, as you can see, the water keeps on coming, keeps on flowing. It's not overflowing, but it keeps on filling up the tank. And it's an annoying sound that won't go away. One thing that you can do is come up to the toilet, try to jiggle the handle right here, and that may plug in the stopper that's inside. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can lift the back of the toilet like this. Gonna lift this up. As you can see, down in there is a stopper, all right? And that stopper allows the water to flow. And what I just happened to do is, like when I wiggle this right here, it actually plugged the stopper in to allow water to fill up, and eventually it will turn off. Now, if wiggling this does not work, you can check in here to see if the chain is kinked, and if it is, release it, and that plug that's down at the bottom, make sure that seals over the top. And as you can